back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be doing a twist out using Aunt Jackie's Curl La La. So guys, I just got out of the shower. My hair is freshly washed. It's still wet, and I plan to do the twist out for you guys on camera. Stay with me to the end to see the results. So this is how my hair looks straight out the shower. And now I'm gonna start doing the twist out.
Perfect.
So guys, I finished twisting my whole head, and I had one piece that I had to untwist, and I'm gonna redo this one over again. As I said before, I'm using the Curl La La by Aunt Jackie's. All right, so there you have it. I'm gonna finish twisting this one out, and stay tuned for the end result. I wanna show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. So guys, here you have it. This is my twist out that I did on the day before, and I took all of the twist out, and as you could see, it's life. Okay, I love it. Let me know what you think. Drop some comments down below. Thank you.